Hi guys, today I'll be building my perfect gaming PC. The specs will be shown on screen right now. I'll be installing my Corsair Vengeance RGB Pro RAM running at 3000 MHz. I'm just doing some cable management to keep the build looking clean. I'll be installing my SSD. You just have to take off the 2 screws of the heatsink, slot it in, then put the heatsink back on. I'm unboxing my Corsair RGB power supply, which is 550 watts. I'm installing my AIO water cooler. I'm just applying thermal paste. I've got my graphics card in and I'm just giving it power. Overall, I'm very happy how this build turned out, as it was my first time building a gaming PC. Stay tuned for next video because that will be an FPS test.